All right, we are starting off our shift, 6:50, 3.4 miles. I'm gonna accept that one. It's very rare that the first order is a decent order. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. While I go pick up my first order, please give this video a like and make sure you're subscribed. I have not delivered in like 3 weeks. DoorDash for Jaquan. DoorDash? Yeah. Alright, got the goods. It is one pizza. I'll leave at door. So I'm doing DoorDash in the Brandon, Florida area. And I have been very, very sick throughout basically the whole month of December. I had car troubles the beginning of December, and then my family got sick, and then I got very sick, and I had a bad reaction to the medicine that I was taking. So that's why I haven't been posting videos in the last 3 weeks, and I haven't done any orders. My credit card debt is racking up because of the holidays and just not working on top of that. So that's my goal this month, is to pay off my credit card debt with my DoorDash, basically. I am scheduled with my Solo. They were showing $17, $18, and $20 an hour for the hours. I could have went. For the hours that I have scheduled today. I don't know if I'm gonna make it to 6 o'clock. Just depends on how I feel, but obviously, like, I got some money to make up. So if I make less than that amount per hour, Solo will pay me the difference. And if you sign up with Solo with my link below, you'll automatically get $10 in your account to start out with. I'm also tracking my miles. It is tax time, you guys. I was working on my taxes this week, and those miles add up so fast. Make sure you're tracking your miles. All right, that stayed the $6.50 with a $2 tip. $9.25 for 11.3 miles. I have to decline that. Those miles are way too high for me. I don't know how I did this. I just parked at Zaxby's. There's a McDonald's across right there too. $5.50, I know it's low, but 0.6 miles. We're already here. We're gonna accept that one. And it's for one item. They're only getting loaded fries. Yeah, DoorDash for Rachel. Rachel, right? Yeah, thank you. You're welcome. You too. It was already ready. She was putting it out when I walked in. And as you've seen, it was not even a mile. So leave at door. Let's go drop it off. All right, that came out to be $5.50 with a $1 tip. I declined a $5 order, and now I'm declining a $3 order. We are also in like this red zone, waiting on an order. Okay, I'm getting a Chick-fil-A order. It is $3.75 for 4. My cord's not long enough. 4.9 miles. I am not accepting that. I'm trying not to be as picky as I normally am, but these orders, that's not gonna be profitable for me. So I'm actually declining a lot of low orders now. That was the 3rd one in a row that I declined. And now I'm getting a CVS shopping order, $3.50. It's not even worth driving over there. Finally, an acceptable order, $6.50, 2.8 miles at the Zaxby's right behind this McDonald's. Let's go pick it up.
Picking up Stacey?
Yeah, for Daniel.
Daniel?
Yes. All right, that was in a business. I had to hand it to him. It was what? Oh, it came out to be $7. Finally, my first order that was more than what was offered. So I'm at the 1 hour mark now, and in the 4 orders I did, we are at $19. not too bad. I normally make $19, $20, $21 an hour in my area, and like I said, I'm also scheduled with Solo, even though I did decline a lot. $5, 2.9 miles. I'm also going to decline this one. I need some bigger numbers to come through. I can't just keep taking $5, $6 orders. And just as I say that, $7.50, but it's for 9 miles, so I'm going to decline that one also. And 10 seconds later, 11:25, 13 miles, also declining that one. I can't gamble that there's gonna be a hidden tip on that order to make the miles worth it. You know what I mean? I can't just be out here driving a bunch of miles, putting my profits back into my gas tank. I'm gonna head back over to this little red zone up here I've been getting orders at, and hopefully we get something good. It is 12 o'clock. It is lunchtime on a Friday. All right, I've been sitting here scrolling and posting on Instagram, but I'm finally getting my next order, $4.75. I'm not taking orders that low. I was expecting to be like so busy because I mean it's Friday at lunchtime, and I basically sat for 15 minutes with not a single order coming through. It's baffling. I'm in this little red zone area right there, and is this how it's been for you guys? I mean, I know it's January and people are also recovering from the holidays and probably not ordering as much food, but I don't know, I was expecting it to be like, you know, like normal busy. Is this how it is in your area? Monday I'm going to be delivering downtown Tampa. It seems to be more consistent there when it comes to like delivering to office buildings and people's lunches. Okay, $3, 2.6 miles, another decline. I feel like I'm just declining in this video. I'm sorry if you, I'm sorry if you clicked trying to get some delivery motivation. I'm trying to give that to you guys because that's what I look forward to when I'm like, you know, struggling for motivation. 3.50, 4 miles. I'm just gonna be over here declining these bad orders. I am gonna move though. All right, $9 for 6 miles. I'm going to accept this one with 3 seconds left.
North toward East Brandon.
Yes, for Veronica. DoorDash for Veronica.
Okay.
Confirm.
They got a warm Pepsi.
Okay, I confirmed it. Pepsi?
Pepsi, yeah.
All right, this is a leave at door. She has to confirm that I picked up the order, which is fine. I don't mind doing that. That's actually a lot of food. I feel like there's gonna be a little bit of a hidden tip. It's 5 miles from where I am right now, so that's good. Let's go. What I say was the leave at door, so let's go drop this one off. I don't think I pushed record on that one, but I had my camera facing over there, so it did come out to the $9. There was no hidden tip on that one. $5.50 tip. It's all right. It pushed me to another area over here, so I don't have to make those 5 miles back. It's probably like 1 more mile to get to another area, so that's where I'm heading. All right, this has been absolutely brutal, and I'm gonna come out next Monday, like I said, in a different area, and then we're gonna give Walmart Spark a try. I'm gonna try to pick up some Amazon Flex shifts. There was a fresh that I snagged, so keep an eye out for that, you guys. I don't know, DoorDash is just dead in my area. I do want to try some more areas, like more into the Tampa area, and I'm not having any luck here in Brandon. I don't know. I was expecting it to be so much more busy. So while I'm out, I'm gonna run some errands. I got my daughter's birthday party tomorrow that I got to get ready for. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope I gave you some type of motivation. Yeah, that's gonna be it for me today. Check out another video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.